virtual shopping companion for the blind and visually impaired persons. During this pandemic, we all face difficulties when we try to buy essential grocery items. We all experience the need of online shopping applications. But when we focus on blind and visually impaired community, they face more difficulties than us. Blind and visually impaired people need other people's assistance to use such platforms. This became the motivation of the research. Over the years, technological services such as screen readers, special browsers, screen magnification techniques were used to assist them. Unavailability of application or a mechanism to use online shopping platforms for blind and visually impaired community was identified as the problem statement of the study. Target group should be facilitated with smart options to access to shopping and trading information on their personal needs and should be facilitated with options to control their shopping experience more independently. The proposed solution is an online shopping application for the visually impaired and blind people. This study is very much significant because the proposed smart solution is equipped with natural language processing, geopositioning, and rule-based algorithmic approach. It can be used to easily search nearby shopping locations according to users' requirement and retrieve contact information of the shopping locations. The objectives of the research can be stated as design an online application to improve searchability options and make practical awareness about such technologies of the target group. As primary sources of data, structured questionnaires were designed and answered through focus group interviews with blind and visually impaired persons in order to design the functionalities of the application. As secondary sources of data, related statistic reports and grocery item dataset were used. The grocery item dataset was used to train the machine learning algorithm and the dataset was pre-processed before the use. This is the main approach of the study. It consists of 6 steps. First, user's voice input was captured and converted into a text. Then, user input will be classified using Naive-Bayes machine learning approach. Then, the user's geolocation was captured. And next, filtering nearby location according to the classified item category. And then, get the location information from the map libraries and extracting the contact information of the store. Finally, location name and the contact information will be output as a voice response. The implementation of this solution was done by using Django framework. Visual Studio Code and Anaconda environment were used as code editors. As programming languages, Python and JavaScript were used and HTML and CSS used for the scripting. Google Maps platforms was used for the all map functionalities and Web Speech API was used for speech recognition, and speech synthesis. This is the graphical output of the system. Accuracy testing of the naive Bayes model used for the item classification of the study was scored 86% accuracy. The objectives of the study was achieved through the implementation of the solution. It provides more independent shopping and trading experience for the blind and visually impaired persons. Let's move to the demonstration.
This is the demonstration of application Virtual Shopping Companion. Virtual Shopping Companion is application developed for the visually and blind impaired persons to enhance their ability to make online shopping experience. The GUI has a start and exit buttons, a text box to display the user input entered through the voice, and a map to show the user's location and places around the user's location. When user clicks start button, voice recognition start and user can enter the input. And he has to give go voice command to find the nearby places. Banana. Go. Banana is classified as a category supermarket. So the supermarket near user's location will be listed here. Each location will display with a yellow background for the ease of the visually impaired people. And when user click one of these places, the place name and the contact number will be displayed in a dynamic element. When user hovers mouse over the element, it will output the content as voice phrases.
Roshan Stores 07044595576. Cargill's Food City, Panadora 20382241449.
If user wants to repeat the process, all he has to do is the moving mouse into the element.
Cargill's Food City, Panadora 20382241449.
And if user wants to stop the recognition process, he has to give the command stop recording. Stop recording. Stop recording. The voice recognition switches off.